Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So firstly, just simply open your Adobe Premiere Pro. Now as you can see, I already have a clip in my timeline which is also time ramped. You can see over here. Now whatever you're going to do is add a motion blur into the sped up part over here. So for adding the motion blur, what you have to do is just simply go to your project panel over here, then click on the new item over here, then choose adjustment layer. Then just simply hit OK. Now a adjustment layer will appear. So just simply drag and drop onto your timeline where you want the motion blur to get started. Now just simply trim the adjustment layer according to your liking. Now in order for you to actually add the blur, what you have to do is just simply go to the effects panel and search for directional blur. And for some reason, if you are unable to find the effects panel, just simply go to Windows and make sure it is enabled over here. So after finding directional blur, just simply drag and drop onto the adjustment layer. Now next what you have to do is just simply select the adjustment layer and increase the blur length. Now as you can see, a motion blur has been created. So let me show you. So as you can see, there is a smooth blur when it is zooming. Now let's make this a little bit better. So for doing that, we are going to use the ellipse tool over here. So just simply create an ellipse to focus our attention in the center. So just simply edit the mask according to your liking. Then just simply hit invert. You can also increase the blur length if you want to. Now you can just simply feather the remaining part so the main focus point and the background get blended together. So just simply feather it. Now when I play the footage, there will be a smooth motion blur onto the footage. So let me show you. As you can see over here, the motion blur is working just fine. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.